Okay, where we start from?
My people, now welcome to Magic Global Tech. If you take a look here, now we Magic Global Technology. Today, this one I do here. This is our first video of 2026. We'll get different kind of technology for you. Today, trust me, I get things for you. But now make we start from this our inverter electronics. You know, so if I tell you say anything concerning inverter, solar fridge, solar freezer, inverter AC, inverter, anything concerning solar and inverter things, that would they sell. So we go start from this particular 4 door. This is our 4 door fridge. E carry fridge, e carry refrigerator, e carry everything for inside, e carry water dispenser for inside. As you see this particular thing now, if you come close, you go see where you go put your water from. Once you put water from this fridge now, you see this place now be like heaven on earth.
Okay.
Yeah, now this fridge be like food America. As you open and so all this down now for your fridge, where you put your frozen meat, chicken, turkey, anything where you want. Now you go load inside this particular freezer. And this one now where they see where you get ice block making machine for one side. Here now you go to make ice block for you for your when you want to chill with your champagne. And the same VSOP, Grand Fidelity, put them for inside this fridge, you got to enjoy your life. They go. And don't forget, this one now, you want cold water, just press the electronic and digital display. You take your water, you take. If you take your ice block from here as well, now be this particular thing. So we'll get the small one, we'll get the big one, but this one are complete, fullest option. And an inverter. Everything they say an inverter they be. So this one, the original price before, we sell at 2.7 million. For Magic Global Technology, just 2,450,000, don't carry this one. We also get the smaller one, where they within that kind 1.1 million, 1.3 million. You call us